every behavior in an attempt to comprehend their secrets. And in doing so, revealing extreme examples of the miracle of evolution.
Birds of paradise represent one of these singular events of evolution that stand out, that are extraordinary. They're something that's without precedent, something that evolved that's so unique and so exceptional that you're driven to say, why? Or, how did that happen? How did that come to be?
The birds of paradise are remarkable not only for their exceptional beauty and almost otherworldly appearance, but as veritable living textbooks on adaptation and sexual selection.
The females are looking at this whole package and can discern something about him by minor variation. The more complex it is, the harder it is to make it look right. If one little feature is out of whack, you're going to be able to tell.
What about New Guinea has led to these birds evolving here and nowhere else? What function do their outrageous plumes and ornaments play? And what exactly are they doing?
For me, it still always goes back to the original driving question, and that's